UN chief calls for completing work of clearing and destroying landmines. In Somalia, 6 people have been killed and 4 others wounded in a suicide bombing in the capital Mogadishu. Prime Minister Imran Khan controlling price hike in country government top priority. Indian police arrest 10 persons in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Dubai police arrest international drug load or smuggling operation across Europe. Riyadh and Washington voice support for Jordan King Abdullah II. From Ethiopia to Yemen, a paralyzed migrant route to endless mystery.